Hi, my dear friends. This is Mohammed Naresh Reddy from Rainbow Institute. Please subscribe our channel for supporting me, and please like each and every video, and please share it to your friends. So, and most of the parents and most of the students are subscribing our channel. I would like to say thanks to them. So, those who are watching now, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So, as per the EMAT program, so we have been learning Vedic matrix. So today also we are going to an amazing trick. So that by using that technique, we can calculate each multiplication within the seconds without using pen and paper. Got the point? So let's start the technique now. Yeah, see here I have written some questions to you that are 43 into 47 and 113 into 117, 85 into 85. Then each question we can say within the 3 seconds without using pen and paper. Do you believe it? Yeah. If you ask me, then I will reveal the secret technique which we can use to solve these problems within the 3 seconds now. Go. Then what are you waiting? Please subscribe the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Okay, for latest concept like this now. So let's go into the lessons now. See here 43 into 47. 43 into 47. I'm writing C here 43 into 47. Directly I'm writing here 2021. And 113 into 117. I'm writing here 132.21 means 13,221, and 85 into 85, 7,225. See here I have taken only just 1 second or 2 seconds to write this all answers now. How it is possible? What the secret has been involved to solve this type of the problems? Let's see. And you are going to learn amazing technique. Okay, please ready with pen and paper. Okay, practice makes man's perfect. After practicing you will get an idea the complete application part, the complete calculation part, you will be able to in your mind. But first we need some practice. Let's go into that. Yeah, Vedic Maths Technic. You know that the Vedic Maths is nothing but the universal fastest way of solving math problem. Okay, there is no other alternate option which we can use here. So now we are learning Vedic Math Technique to solve those problems. Now let's see 43 into 47. But here see, to use this technique, first we need to see two things here. The first thing is tens digit numbers must be same. If you observe the problem, see, these tens digits are 4 and 4. They are same. Got the point? And the next, the second one, see, sum of the units digit number must be 10. The sum of the unit digit number. Here see, the unit digits are 3 comma 7. By adding 3 and 7 is equal to 10. So we can use this technique. So compulsory, my dear students, please before using this method, please you have to take care about these two techniques. The first one is tens digit number must be same and sum of the unit digit number must be 10. Suppose if it is 3 digit number, compulsory the first two digits means for tens digit and under digit numbers must be same. Okay, and the sum of the unit digit number must be 10. Got the point? Okay, now let's start now. 43 into 47. Only just what you have to see, we need to do that. Only first directly you multiply the what is this the unit digit number. This is 3 7 the 21 and multiply here Now let's see how the technique has been involved. Let's see now. Now first of all, the first step, we need to multiply the unit digit numbers. A unit digit are 3 and 7. 3 sevens are 21. We know that. And the next one, see, we have the equal tens digit number. So whenever we have the equal tens digit number, we need to multiply the tens digit with its successive number, means its the next number. What is the next number of 4? And that is 5. That's why 4 fives are the 20. Then what is the final answer, my dear students? 2021. And the simple, just multiply the unit digit numbers and put it on the answer, and just multiply the tens digit number with its next number. Got the point? This is called Ekadikena Poorvena. What is this? Ekadikena Poorvena. In Sanskrit language, it is Ekadikena Poorvena. Means one more than the previous one. What is the meaning of one more than the previous one? Previous one, what is previous one? Here 4. What is one more than the previous one? Then 5. Then nothing but success number. That's why 4 5s are 20. I think it is an amazing technique. Okay, I think you have understood that. Okay, if you have not understood, if you have still any doubts, you can call me, or you can send in the message in the WhatsApp 7989804600. Okay, and let's go to the next problem. The next problem is 113 into 117. Simple, the same. It is also satisfying the two conditions, means the sum of the unit digits is 10, and see here it is 3 digit number. So 11 and 11, the two numbers are same, means 10 digit and 100 digits are same. So that we can apply this formula. Now let's see. And the same, first I am multiplying the unit digit numbers. Then what is this? 7 threes are 21, and the next number is 11. The next number of 11 is 30, sorry, 12. 11 12s are. Already we have learned in the shortcut to technique to multiply any number with 11. I told you, just give space between 1 and 2, and just add this 2, and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. The final answer is 132. Means 13,221. Exactly. Only just I just simply just multiply the unit digit number, and multiply the next digit or 11 with its successive number, means next number. 11 12 is 132. Got the point? So if you want this technique, please watch the previous videos in multiplication tricks I have mentioned clearly. Okay. And the next one, see, the next problem. Simple. 45 into 45. What would be the answer? 45 into 45. Then let's multiply with the other next number of 4. Next number of 4 is 5. Now 4 5 is 20. Now 2025 is square of 4,000. Sorry, 45 into 45. Let's see the next number. 155 into 105. Such a big number we are multiplying now. Let's see. 155 into 105. So unit digit numbers, by multiplying unit digit number. Now 25, 5 5 is 25, and the 15 and 16. 15 16s are 15 16s are. Already I have taught the shortcut technique of multiplying with 15. Multiplying of any number with 15 I have said. Only the first step is add the 0 to the 16, and 160, and take off here, and two ones and two 80s, and just this off, just add to the 160. Then by adding this, what do you get here? Now what is the answer? 240. The final answer is 24,025. This is the final answer. So this is an amazing method which we can use the Vedic maths. So, but to multiply these all the numbers, but the two condition, don't forget, Your unit digit numbers, some of the unit digit numbers must be 10, and the tens digit number must be same. Okay, got the point? And so please support me. If you like this video, please support me by subscribing our channel. Please like it, please comment it, please just leave a comment or your feedback. May change my teaching explanation, everything. Okay, on all the aspects, please please write a comment now. Thank you very much. And thank you for watching this video, and thanks for learning for new concepts. Please subscribe our channel, and please like it, and please share it. Thank you very much. This is your Mohammed Narration team.